First, plug in the Xumo box to your TV via HDMI and power it on. Use the included remote or the Xfinity app to navigate to Settings, then Network, and select Wi-Fi. The Xumo box will scan for available networks. Choose your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. The Xumo box supports 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands. Once connected, the device will automatically activate via the internet and pull in your Xfinity lineup. Ensure your router is within 30 feet for a strong signal. For larger homes, consider using a Wi-Fi extender. WPA3 encryption is recommended for optimal security. Experiencing Wi-Fi problems with your Xumo box? A weak signal, incorrect password, or network interference are common culprits. First, double-check that you've entered the correct Wi-Fi password. If the signal is weak, try moving your router closer to the Xumo box or using a Wi-Fi extender. You can also use the Xfinity app's Optimized Network feature, introduced in 2025, to switch to the 6 GHz band if available. For persistent issues, try resetting the Xumo box by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. As a fallback, connect the Xumo box directly to your router via an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection, especially for 4K streaming, which requires at least 25 Mbps. Note that firmware updates rolled out in 2024-2025 include enhanced troubleshooting features and improved Wi-Fi stability.